A great dish should always tell a story. There should be something behind it. It's not just a collection of ingredients kind of slapped together.
Today, the dining scene is not only about the food. You need to provide something else.
Crispy, but soft, but tender for meat. A great dish for me is where you can find all the textures using the most seasonal products.
Get to travel, see new ingredients, different cultures, different styles. There's always something interesting. It's like a recipe book that's never ending.